Okay, now with illustration 6 we'll start. Now these are the typical sums, directly different from the sums which you have already calculated earlier. Illustration 6, Milind, Hemant and Rasik have distributed the profit of the firm of rupees 1,89,000 in equal proportion. Now instead of distributing, underline that word instead in your textbook. Instead of distributing in 1:2:4 proportion, to rectify this mistake, what treatment will be given to the capital account? What does this question is telling us? Milind, Hemant and Rasik. Three partners are there, Milind, Hemant and Rasik. They have distributed the firm in equal proportion. That means they have distributed in equal proportion, 1,89,000 equal proportion they have distributed, but they were supposed to distribute the profit in which ratio? In 1:2:4. Right? This statement is telling that instead of distributing, that means this is the correct one, but this is the correct distribution. Correct distribution is 1:2:4 and incorrect distribution is 1:1:1. That means they have made a mistake. Instead of distributing in 1:2:4, they have distributed in 1:1:1. The how much amount is there? The total profit, that means profit is 1,89,000 is there. So instead of distributing 1,89,000 in 1:2:4, they have made a mistake and have distributed in 1:1:1. So now we are going to rectify it, that which partner is entitled to get what amount of profit after the correction. So students, now we are just going to have the correct distribution first. Now what is the correct distribution? The correct distribution is 1:2:4. So you are going to write it over here, the correct distribution of profit. Correct distribution of profit in the ratio of 1:2:4. You are just supposed to distribute 1,89,000 in 1:2:4. 1,89,000 in 1:2:4 you will be distributing it. So first one will come, that is 27,000. Second one will come 54. And the last one will come 1,08,000. Right? Now as this is a correct distribution, you are going to put this a plus over here. This is the correct one, right? This is the correct one. I'll just do with the red pen, otherwise you'll be understanding that some amount is there over there. Right? Then, now the incorrect distribution of profit. What will be the incorrect distribution of the profit? The incorrect distribution of profit in 1:1:1, that will be 63,000 for everyone. So minus 63,000 and 63,000. Minus, minus and minus. Right? Now if you are little bit tense that how this 27, 54 and 1,08,000 came, I'm just doing it over here in order that you may come to know the distribution of profit. You can see it from there. You can write downside the note if you wish to write the distribution of profit. Right? If it is equally, then you all know that you just have to do in the calculator 1,89,000 divided by 3. So 63, 63 and 63 for all the partners you will get. But for this, what is the name of the first partner? That is Milind. Milind is equal to 1,89,000 into 1/7. Then Hemant is equal to 1,89,000 into 2/7, and Rasik is equal to 1,89,000 into 4/7. So we'll be getting 27,54, 27,000, 54,000 and 1,08,000. This is just only the for to make you understand that how you are going to distribute the profit, right? You are going to distribute the profit in this ratio. The correct distribution you are going to make it. Now 27,000, 54,000, 1,08,000. Now after this, you are going to plus and minus these signs, right? Plus 1,08,000. Now whichever the sign, as you all know, that the bigger the number, that sign is considered to be, you have to calculate it, right? 1,08,000 is bigger, minus 63,000, so it will come 45,000, and 45,000 you are going to write it over here. The difference is 45,000, but the amount of 40,000, it will be only plus, so we can tell it as credit, right? It is a credit. Hemant plus 54,000 minus 63,000 plus 54 minus 63 minus 9,000, debit, and plus 27,000 minus 63,000, you are going to write it in minus because 63,000, the bigger the amount, the minus sign is there, so minus 36,000 minus 36,000 will be debit, right? We have already made the difference amount. You can write it over here. The table is completed. You have to pass the journal entries. Now, for passing the journal entries, you are going. We all know that debit entries are to be debited and the credit entries are to be credited. So, how the entry will come? That is Milan's capital account debit. Milan's capital account debit, that is 36,000. Hemant's capital account debit. Hemant's capital account debit, that is 9,000. To Rasik's capital account. To Rasik's capital account, that is 45,000. Just if you have a little bit confused, you can just see 36 plus 9 is 45, right? So the sum is absolutely correct. So here we have corrected the actual distribution of profit, because before it was not properly, they were distributed equally, but they were supposed to be distributed in the ratio 1:2:4. So after doing that, the partner is supposed to get the profit, that is Milan is getting 36,000, Hemant 9,000 and Rasik is 45,000 is credited, because here in the distribution he has got more amount and the wrong distribution was 63,000. So now definitely these two partners are supposed to give him the profit over it, right? So you can just see, if you want to write in the notebook, you can write it, and then we'll switch it over to the next sum, illustration number 7.